Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President and CEO of Porsche China, Michael Kirsch.
女士们、先生们，欢迎保时捷中国总裁及首席执行官柯时迈先生。
女士们、先生们，早上好，我是柯时迈，你好吗？A combination of tradition and innovation, this is what Porsche is all about. 75 years of history in one spectacular flight. I love that movie. Wow. And with that, good morning and welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us. The Porsche story is shaped by dreams. 75 years ago, Ferry Porsche fulfilled his dream of a sports car, the 357. The cornerstone of an amazing success story. And it's this history, it's this legacy that we are marking this year. And I'm delighted to kick off at the anniversary celebrations here in China together with you today. There's an old Chinese saying, the whole year's work depends on a good start in spring. And I have no doubt that we have had a good start in many ways. The economy here in China recovered noticeably during the first quarter. And as you walk around this beautiful exhibition center, you will clearly see the automotive industry can shine just as bright. Porsche China also got off to a very good start with a strong Q1 performance and many exciting initiatives. Today, I'm very happy that we can present you with such a wide range of exciting cars. There is the Chinese premiere of the Vision 357, a tribute to the first Porsche ever, the 356. The 911 Dakar, which evokes Porsche's victory in the 1984 Paris-Dakar Rally. And the 963, Porsche's newest hybrid racing car for the world's major endurance races, such as Le Mans, and by the way, which is also marking a milestone, its 100 years birthday. And Porsche is going for overall victory again. Of course, there's also the very latest all-electric Taycan to see, and so much more. All of our cars on display have one thing in common. They demonstrate Porsche's unique heritage and the pioneering spirit that has driven us since the beginning. This, of course, applies as well to the exciting new car which we'll be unveiling right here. It is a great honor for me that our CEO personally is here to take charge of this historic moment. So please welcome together with me Mr. Oliver Blume.
Thank you, Michael. It's always a great pleasure to be with you here in China. I'm really excited to be back at the Shanghai Auto Show. And I'm very glad that all my colleagues from the executive board can be with me today. The Porsche legend lives on. A unique brand, extremely valuable, with both performance and sustainability at its heart. Our company is stronger than ever before, and it is back on the stock market. This means newly gained autonomy, more flexibility, and fresh opportunities. We can step up the pace of our race into the future yet again. And we are forging ahead with our strategy of modern, sporting luxury. Porsche combines inspiring products with truly personal experiences. A brand that takes responsibility for the world in which we live, that unites exclusivity, performance, and sustainability. We are expanding our product portfolio with new sports cars. We will also continue to focus on limited edition models and on growing the Sonderwunsch program for very exclusive and personalized customer wishes. We strive to be a pioneer in the field of sustainable mobility. And for this, we set ourselves ambitious goals. We are aiming for a net carbon neutral value chain for our cars in 2030. Our strategy is clear. Electromobility is the highest priority for Porsche. In 2030, we aim for more than 80% of the new cars we deliver to be pure electric models. The Taycan has already proved to be a great success. The all-electric Macan is set to go out to our customers in 2024. We are also planning all-electric versions of the 718 by the middle of this decade. And then, not long afterwards, the all-electric Cayenne is planned to follow. The Cayenne is therefore an integral part of our electrification journey. We also plan to expand our product portfolio upwards with a new all-electric, performance-focused luxury SUV in the segment above the Cayenne. The transition to e-mobility is proceeding at different speeds in different regions of the world. Strategically, we are positioned with a trio of drivetrain technologies, including combustion engines, hybrids, in addition to a strong ramp-up of all electric models. A really good example is right here next to me. 2 decades ago, Porsche ventured into the SUV segment with the Cayenne, an SUV with the heart of a sports car. Most people here in China got to know Porsche through the Cayenne. Here and now, it is taking the next big step. And here it is, the new Cayenne.
女士们、先生们，新款保时捷 Cayenne。
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Porsche Cayenne. It's one of the most extensive product upgrades in the history of Porsche. More performance, more comfort, more digitalization, and more luxury. We have made it even better on every level. Let's start with the outside and its refined design. From the first glance, it is clear this is a new Cayenne. The expressive experience, and at the same time broad and athletic. Another highlight is the innovative lighting technology. We have implemented a whole new Porsche driver experience with a new display and control concept, a completely redesigned cockpit driven by extensive digital offering. The Porsche driver experience opens up new ways of interaction, not just for the driver, but also the front passenger. All variants of the new Cayenne benefit from from more powerful engines and a completely new semi-active chassis system for an even broader range between comfort and sportiness. In the course of 2023, we will add 2 more models to the range of plug-in hybrids with enhanced e-performance and an electric range that is around 80% greater than before. And then there is a Cayenne Turbo GT. When it comes to performance, it is top-notch. And the strongest proof is that the sports car in every Porsche SUV. The new Cayenne embodies perfectly what Porsche stands for: modern, sporting luxury. It is a perfect match of everyday usability and iconic Porsche performance. The course for the future of Porsche is set. We are redefining luxury. We are fully committed to sustainability. We are pushing ahead with our e-mobility ramp-up. And with all this, we keep asking ourselves, what can we do to excite our customers and fans time and again? This year, we are celebrating 75 years of Porsche sports cars. We can look back on a company history shaped by our unique pioneering spirit, by dreams, and the drive to make them come true. I'm sure we will continue to write the Porsche legend. And we will always be driven by dreams.
Every one of us dreams. Some of us chase them. For 75 years, we've been driven by dreams. We dreamt in full color. It's what made us race towards brave ideas. We saw Salzburg red for 24 hours. We made a pink pig fly. And went to green hell and back for victory after victory. Our dreams come in 500,000 shades and counting. Mint green, guards red, speed yellow. We've always been for the bold, the bright, and the brave. Even this guy. Our universe is one where dream is a verb, an invitation, a place where artists, racers, and innovators come together. The product of one man's dream. We've been undoing what's always been done. Together, our dream will color the next 75 years. Open your eyes, take the keys. Join us here.